In a world where learning is overtaken by short attention spans, never-ending lectures, and uninterested audiences, there is one book in the universe designed to help you make learning engaging and impactful. It will forever change how you create instruction. And its name? Action First Learning. Action First Learning has the power to do things unimaginable. Engage minds, retain knowledge, motivate, sharpen skills, and drive behavioral changes. It explains 9 distinct types of learning experiences with real case studies, design checklists, and tips and tricks just for you. From board games to escape rooms, branching scenarios, augmented reality, AI, and more. There is no doubt that you will become unstoppable. What could be better? Not only is it fun for your audience, but it's fun for you too. But how can you be so sure of all this? Because Action First Learning was written by someone who has done it all himself. Dr. Karl Kapp, an educator and technological expert, is the author of this book. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity to watch not only yourself, but your audience elevate. Action First Learning coming soon. Now it's time for you to take action. Order your copy today. The order link is in the comments below.